Okay. Augmented Unsupervised Backpropagation Tuning. In this case, we should focus on the remaining PE conditions. Okay? But what is that? In control theory, we have the parameter drift. Okay? First of all, for example, we have the parameters in here, but it can be changed. It can result to the what Q uncertainty in here. But this parameter drift results or the concludes of the what leads to the weight overtraining, guys. Okay, this is some kind of noisy signal in the training phase. Okay, if you want to close too much and show the weight is overtraining. Okay, not learn, overtrain in an structure. So where it's coming from, or what's the advantage of the percent of execution in here? The PE condition guarantees that. Parameter drift does not occur because each of the reference signal or the coefficients are split into the same part, equal parts. Okay, we have each of the equal parts in the what? In the training data set. We can generalize it right now. Okay, in an application, we need to add extra operation like that. We have the control input in here, just like this one, torque, which is equal to what? The W hat transform phi x plus KVR with basis of phi x, and so the NM weight rules can be derived with the what? With this condition. W hat dot, which is equal to the F phi x RT minus kappa values F R times W hat. This is stabilization term. To what? To your building. And so where is it coming from? The idea of these terms, I can prove this just like this one. For example, if you choose the what, the x dot is equals to minus ax, a greater than 0. And so what's the result of this code? In time, this code goes to the what? 0, because it's stable. You know that the a is positive and the minus term is given here, and so the eigenvalue is always smaller than the 0, which means that it always goes to the what? Stable region in here. Just like this one. See? This one, W hat, and so this is positive, and this one. And this equation turns into the what? This one, right? This stabilizes the what? The R output cases in here. So, the theorem 4.2.3 augmented NN weight tuning. Yes, always is greater than the 0. Okay? And so we put the minus term, the negative term, at the beginning of the equation. And so it stabilizes the whole the conditions in here. Okay? So, in order to do that, we right now proposed another term in here. W is more than WB. Okay? This NM weight coefficients must be bounded right now in order to stabilize our algorithm. Otherwise, we cannot prove that. Okay? In the first conditions, the V or W is going to the infinity values or the 0. But in this case, we bound the the learnable coefficients, right? Okay? So, let the control input, just like this one, torque value, W hat T, phi X plus KVR. And so this must be satisfying to what? Satisfying this condition, KV mean value. And so this one can be generalized just like this one. Kappa times WB square divided by 4 plus epsilon n dB and C0, C2 and Bx minus QB with the what? With W hat dot, which is equals to what? F times phi times RT. This is standard rule, and kappa times F times R W hat. Okay? These theorems lead to the what? To persistency of execution in the controller code. Okay? But how we can prove that? It's too long, but it's highly useful to prove that these conditions. But before we start, I will explain in Turkish also because it's too complex. Okay? Okay. Proof of theorem 423. Detaylı providing 422 and fx with 418. Bunların hepsini yazdık arkadaşlar. With a given accuracy of epsilon n for all x in Sx x smaller than Bx. These are conditions, okay? And also we need to write what the ball of radius is greater than the QB, which means that the reference signal is what? Is bounded with the what? With the maximum reachable state conditions, okay? Just like the 3 meter and the 4 meter, or the outside the class and inside the class, okay? And we shall define to this one. Define SR, which is equals to what is the filter tracking error? R is smaller than the Bx QB. This is proved in the what? In the previous lesson. C0, C2, and let R 0 elements of the what? The SR. Okay? That's it. These are conditions, these are assumptions. Okay. Lyapunov selection. In the first place, we need to write the L 1 divided by 2 RT R plus 1 divided by 2 tr, trace values of these terms, w tilde, f minus 1, w tilde, okay? And also we need to write to this one L dot minus RT KV R plus 1 divided by 2 RT M dot 2 VM. Where is it coming from, Yit? This equation, the equation of 2? Just tell me. How can we derive the L dot in here? Which equations are used?
Demin gösterdiğiniz R formülü var ya. O demin gösterdiğiniz R küçüktür formülü var.
No. The robot dynamics MQ Q dot dot plus VM Q dot plus blah 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 equals to torque is turned into the what? The R. Filter tracking error. M times R dot, which is equals to minus VM R blah blah blah. Okay? This putting into the what? Into the L dot equations, and so we will get it. These conditions, okay? In the previous lessons, we have talked about the whole things in here, right? So, first of all, in this case, we remove this term from the robot properties, okay? And also this putting into the what? Into controller signal. So the W dot hat should be added in here. We can drive the what to these conditions in order to what? In order to remove the whole the terms in here, okay? So, we need to continue with the what? With this one. In the last form, we have the L dot, which is equals to minus RT KV R plus kappa R times TR and W hat transpose W minus W tilde, right? Plus RT epsilon plus torque D. Okay? What's the result of this code? This code yield us the W hat, right? And so where is it coming from, these terms? These terms coming from the what? This rule. Okay? We put the W hat dot terms into the what? Into the L dot equation. Since we can write to these terms trace values of the what? W tilde times W minus W tilde, which is equals to the what? The Frobenius norm of the what? W tilde and W minus W tilde square Frobenius norm. And also this must be bounded with the what? With these terms. W tilde F W tilde, no, it's not a tilde because the other term is in here, and Frobenius norm minus W tilde square F. Okay, let's check it right now, first of all. So, if we bound these terms just like this one, L dot eksi KV min times R square. Where is it coming from? This is coming from these terms, okay? And also kappa term R W F. And in here, WB is converted with what? So replaced with the W because it's R, what? Our assumption, right? This coefficient is bounded with what? The W bounded. We can use it right now. Okay. And minus W tilde F plus epsilon n dB times R. Okay. And so we can assign the whole terms R parentheses in here And so the KV mean R plus kappa WF tilde times WF tilde WB minus epsilon n dB. Okay? And so, in order to prove these conditions, this should be positive, right? If this is positive, and so this could be negative, right? The total term, negative. And that's good for the stability, right? So, let's take into the what? We can convert the whole terms, just like this one. This term, reorganizing equations, KV mean times R plus kappa value W hat F times WB W tilde F plus epsilon n dB. Okay? And so, if we collect all the terms in here, just like this one, kappa W F tilde value minus WB 2, okay? And kappa WB square 4 plus KV mean R minus epsilon n dV, and after that we can convert the whole terms in here just like this one, KV mean times R norm greater than kappa WB square divided by 4 and epsilon n dV, okay? And after that the R can be greater than this one, kappa WB square divided by 4 epsilon n dB divided by KV mean. This is the last equation. And so KV mean must be converted into what? In the previous formula that we did try. And in the last case, we have this one is the what? Bx minus QB divided by C0, C2. And in the last case, we get the KV mean values is greater than kappa times WB square 4 plus eta n dB and times C0, C2 divided by BXQB. Okay? This is our final case and final formula for this case. Okay? Please write these whole codes and try to drive your algorithm based on for example, the DC motor cases. This is your homework. Okay? Just assume that you have the J theta dot plus J theta dot KV times UT. This is your conditions, and design the adaptive controller, design the FLNN controller, and prove it, and also PE conditions with NN. Should be right for you. This is your homework. Okay? If you do that, you will understand that. If you won't do that, maybe understand the whole concepts.